Friends, there is a new breakthrough in the world of video creation. Kling AI is a new neural network that has already surpassed Sora in many ways. Let's get to the bottom of it. A new video generator with artificial intelligence Kling AI that produces impressive results. This neural network was created by Chinese developers Kuaishu Technology. And as strange earlier when registering on Chinese neural networks required to enter a Chinese phone number, here you do not need to do this, and registration only by mail. Then it is necessary to pass a simple verification. Registration by Google account, respectively, is not here, and so far this neural network is still free. Kling AI offers advanced video editing tools, including effects and transitions, as well as creating high-resolution videos with professional quality settings. Kling AI creates smoother and more natural movements, making videos even more realistic. Kling AI also offers extensive customization options to meet the specific needs of your project. Finally, Kling AI supports integration with other professional tools, making it ideal for more complex and large-scale projects. Previously available only as an app and only for smartphones, it now has a web version as well. And yes, I was not even tortured by questions from the marketing department during registration, such as what I will use video creation for and how many people work in my company. Once you log in, you are given 66 credits to generate, and these 66 credits are for 24 hours. So you will be given 66 credits every day. It's a rather strange and not a round number, but the Chinese like such numbers. Symbol of luck and prosperity. In Chinese, the number 6 sounds similar to the word liu, which means flow or prosperity. Accordingly, the double 6, 66, is associated with a double flow of luck and prosperity. There are already examples of works here, and they are quite impressive. Let's try to create something ourselves. In order to get started, you need to click on this iVideos key. Here we have 2 tabs, text to video and image to video. Here's the first window. We have prompt. Here we are going to write our task. Let me write that I need a wavy parrot flying from palm tree to palm tree. Right here we have a slider to choose whether it should be creative or whether it should be a relevant query. I suggest choosing half, in the middle of both. Next we have high performance and high quality. High quality is not available yet, but that's probably in the future. For now, we'll just use what we have. The next section is video duration of 5 seconds and 10 seconds. 10 seconds is not available yet either, there are only 5 seconds. And frame size. In addition, you can select the camera position, horizontal, vertical, zoom, plan. The next box is here, what to exclude from your request, what you 100% don't want to be in your video. And the last key is generate. Click Generate. You should keep in mind that there is a large influx of visitors now, and you will probably have to wait for some time. It will take a long time to process your request. And here is what I got. A parrot flies from a palm tree, and it goes somewhere. It doesn't come to another palm tree. Well, it's good enough for a 5-second video, although the quality is not the best yet. Another neural network of astounding imagination. Krea AI now allows you to change the background of your image, yes, with a quality that outperforms all other neurons. This is done both by adding a new photo and by writing your query that tells you how your image should look like. For example, you can add the bottom of the sea creatures, whatever you want, just by specifying them in the description. You can also exclude unwanted elements that you don't want to see at all by using negative prompts. And here's how it works. You want to see a cup of coffee against a background of a lake, mountains, that kind of light motif. To begin with, you upload your own photo or a photo downloaded from the internet. Then you type in a request. Espresso on the table by the lake, mountain view, sunset. You click amplify, and this is what we get. It was like this, a cup of coffee in some coffee shop, and now it's like this, by the lake, mountain view, sunset. I think it's very cool and high quality, and there are no artifacts. If there are some unnecessary objects, you just write to him to remove them, and that's it. For more accurate customization, you can use the camera angle, lighting, and so on to get the best results. Okay, now this is really something incredible. Artificial intelligence can now read your mind. Scientists have developed an AI that can read thoughts and turn them into images. This technology uses brain signals to create pictures of what a person sees or thinks about. The AI converts brain activity into visual images. The research was conducted at Osaka and Helsinki universities. Participants of the experiment, volunteers watched certain pictures, portraits, and at this time, artificial intelligence analyzed their brain activity. The AI then used this data to create images that were very similar to what the person saw. The scientists also conducted opt-ins on monkeys as well. The monkeys looked at the images while their brains were analyzed using functional MRI. The images that the artificial intelligence created were also similar to what the monkeys saw. This method helps to better understand how the brain processes visual information. This technology can be useful in medicine, science. It could be useful for people with communication disorders, people with poor vision, to study how we perceive and remember information. And finally, to create devices that will help to control computers with thoughts. However, the use of such AI also raises certain ethical issues. For example, the privacy and security of brain data, which requires further discussion and regulation. OpenAI announced the levels of development of artificial intelligence. OpenAI has unveiled a roadmap for AI development. It includes 5 levels on the way to achieving superintelligence. Let's take a look at what they have proposed. The first level is AI chatbots with spoken language. This is the creation of AI chatbots that can carry on conversations. Examples are the GPT chatbot, which can hold conversations, text, answer questions, even solve math problems. But don't expect it to run a business or invent something new. The second level is human-level problem solving. For example, imagine an assistant who not only helps you with your homework, but also analyzes data, makes decisions, and develops strategies. This is the next step on the way to general artificial intelligence. The third level we have are agents, systems that can act. They can make decisions, they can manage factory work, be your personal assistants, organize meetings, and even perform complex tasks without human intervention. The fourth level is AI capable of innovation. They can already help you with inventions. For example, imagine a robot scientist who conducts experiments, comes up with new hypotheses and inventions. This level allows the AI to be a real creator. And the fifth level is already an AI that can do the work of an organization. Imagine a company where instead of humans, only robots work, and artificial intelligence performs all the processes from accounting to marketing. This level is really impressive, and this is the AGI level, which is superintelligence. OpenAI is only positioning ChatGPT at the first level for now. You can imagine how far we are from superintelligence yet. But we are moving towards it with each stage, with each level. ChatGPT can only support conversations, help with texts, solve math problems, and advise on travel itineraries for now. However, it is already on the threshold to reach the second level. And who knows, we might see it closer to AGI in the near future. It has been reported that OpenAI is working on a new reasoning technology codenamed Strawberry. According to a Reuters article, this project aims to improve artificial intelligence in the area of reasoning. Although specific details about the technology and its application have not yet been fully disclosed, the development is expected to improve artificial intelligence's ability to handle complex reasoning tasks and make more nuanced decisions. This progress could lead to more sophisticated and robust artificial intelligence systems that will be able to perform a wider range of functions with high accuracy. Samsung has announced gadgets, and there is artificial intelligence everywhere. But the best part, it even provided headphones with a built-in translator. The headphones are called Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. They have a real-time translation feature that makes it easy to communicate in different languages around the world. Can you imagine how much this can destroy the language barrier? It's like having the superpower to speak every language in the world. You can communicate with a person in any language and you will have the translation streamed to you in your earpiece, online, automatically. I think that's pretty cool. In addition, the company presented its concept of artificial intelligence for all at the exhibition. This concept focuses on the SmartThings ecosystem, which uses spatial artificial intelligence to understand users' habits, as well as optimize home management. For example, SmartThings can create detailed digital floor plans, allowing users to more accurately control their connected smart devices. Artificial intelligence has also been integrated into various Samsung products. The Bixby voice assistant has been given new features that allow it to direct its commands to the most appropriate device, depending on the location and the user's action. For example, it can use voice commands to control home and car features, such as adjusting the temperature or opening a window. Imagine opening a window with your voice. Google has trained its RT2 robot to use the Gemini 1.5 Pro neural network so that it can follow natural language commands and navigate around the office. This robot was demonstrated by Google's DeepMind robotics team, where they showed its abilities to respond to verbal commands, follow directions drawn on a whiteboard, as well as navigate by gesture. In one example, the robot successfully took a staff member to the lecture board upon request, while in another, it followed a drawn map to a specified location. This system is known as multimodal instruction navigation, with Mint demonstration tours. It allows the robot to understand and follow commands using a hierarchical action language vision system that combines environmental awareness and common sense. This allows the robot to navigate the terrain with 90% accuracy.